Meghana, the only daughter of Gauri's housekeeper Shilpa. She is now 20 years old and has completed her BCom degree and written the banking exams. If the results came out well, she would have got a good banking job. Shilpa and her husband Sandesh are very proud of that. There is no reason for this. No one in their family had completed their degree yet. Even when Meghana was in high school, some relatives had advised her not to continue her education and to get married soon. But when Meghana passed her 10th class with good grades, Sandesh admitted her to college. Later, Meghana, who had also passed her PUC with a special grade, decided to pursue a BCom degree and become a bank employee in the future. Both her parents agreed. Now her daughter is a BCom. When she finished and thought that she would get a job in a bank, Shilpa and Sandesh felt that this was the right time to get their daughter married. Accordingly, Sandesh had informed many people he knew. He had also registered her at some marriage registration centers. Shilpa was also looking for a suitable groom for her daughter. Her daughter was about to graduate and get a job in a bank, and Shilpa wanted to find a groom worthy of her position and respect. Therefore, she had rejected some of the casual relationships that came to her daughter. One of the sons of Shilpa's acquaintances was an electrician in Dubai. Shilpa had rejected this relationship, which would have offered her a good job and a good salary and a good life. Meghana had done BCom. He had only studied 10th standard. She had decided that this was not the right match for Meghana. Another time, Meghana had got a marriage relationship through Sandesh's relatives. The boy had done MCom and became a manager in a bank. He was good looking and had a lot of comfort at home. But Shilpa did not agree to this either. The boy's mother was a great quarreling lady. She could not get along with anyone so easily. How could Meghana live with such a person? This was her argument. Think about that boy again. Even though Sandesh told Shilpa that the boy was of good character and manners, Shilpa was the only one who spoke to him in a bitter manner, saying that he was the son of his cousin. She said that she cared more about our Meghana than him and replied in a firm voice that she would never agree to this marriage. A few weeks passed. Once Meghana received a call from a matrimonial center where Sandesh had registered. Meghana and Sandesh went to inquire and found that the boy had completed his BTech and was working in a private company in Pune. He was well off at home. Meghana, who had seen the boy's photo, agreed. When she returned home and told Shilpa, she was the only one who did not agree to send Meghana so far away. A few days later, a boy in Bengaluru sent his proposal to Meghana. The boy was in a government job. The family was good, but he had a big family. He had two younger sisters along with his parents and a younger brother. Sandesh was happy that Meghana would join a good family if she got married. But Shilpa said that she did not want this relationship. The boy has two younger sisters. Tomorrow her daughter will have to spend all her earnings on his two younger sisters' marriage. She said she did not agree, so the relationship broke up at the conversation stage. Once again, a distant relative of Shilpa expressed her desire to develop a relationship. The boy was in a good job. He was earning 25,000 per month. He was good to look at, but Shilpa had rejected this relationship too because he was 4 years older than Meghana. Once again, the son of Sandesh's friend had completed his B.Ed and applied for a teaching job. Even when he was offered to marry Meghana, Shilpa had already said no. His father was an alcoholic. Her argument was how if daughter would fare in the house of an alcoholic uncle. While all this was happening, one day Siddharth, the owner of the house where Shilpa worked, asked, "Is your daughter set for marriage?" "No, sir, I can't find the right boy," Shilpa said. "What kind of boy do you want? Have you asked your daughter?" For today's people, their decision is final. Similarly, as you can see, it is difficult to find a boy who is 100% right. Every family and home has some kind of deficiency. It is important for a married man and woman to get along with each other. Is it right to expect good work and a luxurious life? Don't think that those who are like that lack nothing. Aren't there examples of big fights and lack of peace even in the homes of rich people? So, the more you search, the more it gets stuck. Ask your daughter what she wants. Get her married to the boy she likes. Otherwise, your daughter may not get married at all. Beware. Shilpa didn't remember her master ever saying such things before. Now, hearing his words, she broke into a small sweat. You are doing all this so that my daughter will be well. But what if she doesn't get married? She didn't feel like answering. Finally, Siddharth himself said, I told you from my experience. In the end, do whatever you feel like doing. Shilpa, after coming home that day, was plagued by the same thoughts. A few days passed like this. Meghana passed the bank exam with good marks. She got a job in a nationalized bank. This made Shilpa and Sandesh even happier. But that happiness did not last long. One day, Meghana left the bank packing her luggage and saying that everyone was going on a trip. But she did not return. After waiting for 2 days, an anonymous letter arrived at Shilpa's house. Sandesh and Shilpa, who opened the letter and read it, collapsed. It was Meghana's own letter, and its gist was as follows. Greetings to parents. Don't think that your daughter Meghana is cheating on you. I just want to live my life the way I want. My friend Abhishek is taking me to Dubai, saying that he will marry me. I want to live my life with him. So don't ever look for me. I trust you will bless me to be well. Take care of your health. Be happy. With regards, your beloved Meghana Abhishek. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.